I just wanted to share a little update as to where we are now. And this actually doesn't have Wi-Fi in it, so I couldn't really scrape them, but I did add game images manually. And all of the ROM hacks are set up underneath favorites. And let's go ahead and launch one just to show you here. And as you can see, I got the 99. And just to show you that in-game saving does work. Start and select together will bring you back to the main launcher. And there you have it. And all of them are set up. I don't know if I just launched that again by accident. Oh. This one only has the... Oh. Let me see here. Got all the rare candies there, and the Master Balls here. And then... last but not least, I just want to show you that I did get your save file for the trading card game. See, I haven't actually played this one like too much, so I don't know exactly where to go to show you, but yeah. This is the save file that you would send me. And again, all saves are working even after system shutdown persists and everything like that. All right, let me go ahead and get this uploaded to YouTube, and I will send you a link.